Hi guys, good to see you. How are you guys doing? I've been watching over you guys. Some of you are not watching the video enough. I might need to go to your house and visit you, right? Okay, I hope more of you can participate in these videos because I take time to record this. And actually, I'm having fun. And I'm sure if you participate, you're gonna have more fun together with me, right? And also, you're gonna learn something in this vacation, right? How about that, right? So, let's jump right into our lesson, right? So, what is the topic that we are talking about nowadays? Is, right, conjunctions. We learn different types of conjunctions, right? How many types of conjunction have you learned? Hands up. Okay, answer me with your maybe fingers. Okay, 1. How many types of conjunction have we learned? 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, we learned about 3 different types of conjunction. What is the first one? Coordinating conjunction. The second one? Ooh, yes, similar with coordinating, but it's a different pronunciation. What is it? This is a mic. Okay, now your chance to speak. Good job. Yes, what is it? Correlative conjunction. See, you're better than me. Correlative conjunction. And the last but not least is this one. What is it? Good. Subordinating conjunction, right? And in subordinating conjunction, we also divided this into how many different groups? 4 different groups depending on their meaning, right? The first one, what was the first group? Who can tell me the first group? Yes. The first group is the conjunction that indicates what and what? Yes. Causes and effects. And what are some examples of these conjunctions? There is... Good job. There is because and since, right? Okay, I need to tell you this is. Does it mean that starting from a certain point of time? No, this is not a conjunction of time, but this is a conjunction of cause and effects. Then what does that mean? That means this is, the meaning of this sense is, it's the same with because, right? Okay, good. High five. Yeah, okay, good. Then the second one. What is the second one? Oh, teacher, I forgot. What was it? No, you can do it. You can remember. It's a very easy one. Subordinating conjunction. Another subordinating conjunction that indicates. What is it? That indicates what? What does this indicate? The examples are although and even though. It indicates, right, contrast. Good job, okay? So that is, another group is the group of conjunction that indicate contrast. The example of this is although and even though or though, right? But what we want to examine right now and today is the group of conjunctions, subordinating conjunction that indicate time. Okay, how many conjunction of time have we learned? Right? 10 of them? Okay, show me with your finger. 1, 2. Yeah, 3. You know, see, Jenny teacher is always so generous. I don't teach you a lot, right? I only teach you the amount that you can digest. Yes, I'm a cool teacher, I know. Okay, so what are these? Okay, when. And another one is before. And next one is... I'm not going to tell you. Okay, tell me. Answer me. Good. Is after, right? Okay, good job. And the first group of conjunction, this is the one that indicates this. What is this? No picking. I just picked and I saw it. What was it? Yeah, condition, right? And these are if, and the opposite one is unless. Okay. So these are subordinate conjunctions which connect two different clauses. One is what kind of clause? Independent clause, and the other one is dependent clause, or main clause or subordinate clause, right? So this subordinate conjunction connects these two clauses, right? Pretty easy peasy. So when we actually do these kinds of conjunction questions, there is something that you must know and be careful of. Actually, there's not one, there are two. What are these? When we solve the questions of conjunctions, we must be able to be careful of these two elements. Then you'll be really, really good at solving all the questions. The first one is you need to know the meaning of the conjunctions. So this is, of course, we must know, right? Otherwise, you cannot connect them. But not just only knowing the meaning of conjunction is important. You also know the meaning of the what? The meaning of the two clauses, or two words, or two phrases. Why? Because usually the conjunction questions and conjunction problems are the one that they give you two clauses and you need to choose the proper conjunction. And if you do not know the relationship or the meaning, the relationship between these two clauses, right? Then you might not be able to put an appropriate conjunction. Did you get what I mean? For example, I like cheese. This is an example. I like cheese. Blank. I should not put a comma, right? Blank. I don't want to eat it today, right? I like cheese. Blank. I don't want to eat it today. What can be the appropriate conjunction to put in? First of all, we need to know the relationship of this. Is it just an addition? Is it just indicate time? Or is it a cause and effect? Or is it a contrast? Can I say I don't like cheese when I like cheese, okay? I like cheese when I don't want to eat it today. Does it make sense? No, it does not make sense. There's two of them. I like cheese and I don't want to eat it today. This is a what? A contrast, right? If you like it, then you will always want to eat it, but today you don't want to eat it. So this is a contrast. So what should we put here? But. Can I say because? No. Can I say I don't like cheese because I don't want to eat it today? It does not make sense, right? So it should be I like cheese, but I don't want to eat it today. So just like that, when you solve this conjunction grammar problems, you must know this too. The meaning of the conjunction and also the relationship between two clauses. Can you understand? Okay, then let's solve our questions together, okay? Practice 1, exercise 1 in page 47. Okay, complete the sentences with the words from the box. So you can see we have all the conjunction that we learned from the previous lesson. when, before, after, if, and unless. So there are 5 different conjunctions. And since there are already clauses, what do you need to do? Good. High five. You need to know the meaning of or the relation or relationship between these 2 clauses, right? If you know that, then just put the right one in and voila, right? You got the correct answer. Yes. So let's go to page 47. Question 2. Okay, practice 1. Exercise 1. Question 2. Right? 2. I was doing like question 2. See, how dumb I am. Okay, let's go ahead. Jamie will join us, but the following clause is her mom says it's okay. So when you want to go somewhere, you always need what? Your mom's approval and your mom's permission, right? So you know this, you always listen to this a lot, or your mom or your friends will say this, right? So the answer is Jamie will join us if her mom says it's okay. Good. Number 3. Am I too close to the camera? Okay, let's go back. Okay. Number 3. Blank, you need a phone. You can borrow mine. Right? What should be the answer? It's really easy, right? If. Good. If you need a phone, you can borrow mine. If you need a phone, you can borrow mine. Right? Okay, number 4. The weather improves. We will have to say in. So you can see, can we say if the weather improves, we will have to stay in? No, if the weather improves, we can go outside and have fun, right? If there's no corona, we can do whatever we want, right? Right? So just like that, if we put if, it does not make sense, right? Then we need to put the negative condition, which is unless. 뭐뭐 하지 않으면, right? Unless the weather improves, we will have to stay in, right? That means if the weather doesn't improve, we will have to stay in. Oh, right? Okay, let's go to question 5. Okay, blank, I hear these songs. It makes me want to dance. What do you think we should put? After I hear this song, it makes me want to dance. After you hear it, then you cannot dance along with it. There's no music, right? So what should you put? When I hear this song, it makes me want to dance, right? Good job. Okay. This is not Hi Hitler. This is high five. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Number 6. Question 6. I'm studying now. Blank. I finish. We can go shopping. Okay, so this person is studying. Before I finish, or what? We can go shopping? Before I finish, we can go shopping? No, after I finish. So use your common sense, okay? Would your mom allow you to go for shopping? Go shopping? Before you finish your homework? No, right? After I finish. We can go shopping. Okay, question 7. Okay, Pa is on vacation. Ooh, we are all on vacation right now. A long one, right? We will see him. After he comes back. Yeah, you can say after. So 6, you can say when or after. But 7 as well. You can use when or after. Pa is on vacation. We will see him when he comes back. Good job. Okay, next one, number 8. Don't give personal information online. Okay, common sense, don't give personal information online, right? Blank, you are sure is safe. So it's a bit contradicting, right? Okay, so if you are sure it's safe, you can give the personal information. But if you are not sure that it is safe, then don't give your personal information. So, since this is a negative condition, we should use good unless, right? Give your personal information online unless you are sure it's safe. Good job! Exercise ding ding 2, right? Write sentences using if or unless and the clauses in the boxes. Ooh, so we are concentrating not on the time, but on condition, right? So, first one, I'm late, blank. Ooh, this is a tough one. Okay. So, think about this. Oh, what can be the perfect match? I'm late, you will hurt yourself? No. I'm late, don't wait for me. Okay, that can be a connection. I'm late, I won't go to a concert. I'm late, there may not be enough. Okay, so the possible one is don't wait for me or I won't go to the concert. But when you look at the second one, I get a free pass. So, this is related to concert. So, get rid of concert, choose the don't wait for me. So, between I'm late and don't wait for me is a positive conditional relationship. If it's positive conditional, what should we use? If, right? Okay, good. I have like a personal soundtrack. Okay, good. If I'm late, don't wait for me. Is it correct? Yes or no? 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3. Yes, perfect teacher. Good, I know. Yay. Okay, then I get a free pass. I won't go to concert. Usually, if you get a free pass, would you go to concert? Of course, it's gonna be free, right? So of course, you're gonna go, right? But since this is I get a free pass, I won't go to concert. So it is a what kind of condition? Negative condition. So how should you say this? Unless I get a free pass, I won't go to the concert. So that means 공짜 티켓을 받지 않으면 가지 않을 것이다. Right? 콘서트에. Good. Okay. And next one, you aren't careful. You aren't careful. So we have two choices. You will hurt yourself or there may not be enough. So of course, if it's careful, we relate it to hurt, right? Right, this is all the safety and being carefulness. This is caution. It's always a pair, good pair, right? So, you are careful, you will hurt yourself. If you are careful, you will not hurt yourself. But you are careful, you will hurt yourself, right? So, because this is a positive condition relationship, you should use if, right? If you are careful, you will hurt yourself. Good, good job. And of course, then naturally, we're gonna have these two natural remaining parts, right? Clauses. We bring extra. There may not be enough. If we have extra, there won't be enough food or enough things, right? But it says we bring extra. There may not be enough. So we can say, oh, this is a negative relationship, right? Conditional relationship. So we must put unless. Unless we bring extra. 우리가 추가적으로 가지고 오지 않는다면 there may not be enough. Isn't that right? Good, guys. Good job. We are almost halfway or a third of, not a third, 2/3 of the questions. Because for the practice 2, exercise 2, this is something that you need to do by your own. I can give you some examples, but we are not going to solve all the details of it, okay? I'm gonna answer all your all your questions, or I'm gonna look at your answers from the Kakao channel, and I will comment all the maybe wrong sentences that you have made. So do not worry about that. Okay, next one, exercise 1. Practice 2, exercise 1. Okay, combine this sentence using, bring out your highlighter, don't just sit back, okay? Now when you are doing this, you are not just using the same pen, right? I always tell you, use a red pen when you correct your wrong answers, okay? Good job, okay? So highlight or circle this with a different color pen. Highlight before, after, and when. So do not use if or do not use unless. Okay, this is not about condition. This is about time, right? Okay, let's go to this. But guys, wait a minute. Sometimes you can put at the front, but sometimes you can also put in the middle. Don't just try to put every conjunction before or every conjunction in the middle. You can put one wherever. Okay? So look at here. I will go to bed. I finish my work. Can you say when I will go to bed, I finish my work? No, I will go to bed when I finish my work. This should be the common logic, right? Also, you can say that I will go to bed after I finish my work. So it can be the two answers, when or after. But you need to put in between. Do you need comma in between? We already have conjunction. No need for comma. Some people put comma here. No need for comma. Okay? Okay, number 3. We eat dinner. We wash dishes. What should you put? Some people say before we eat dinner, we wash dishes. But do you usually do that? No, because after you eat, then there are dishes that you need to wash, right? So what should you say? You say, after we eat dinner, we wash the dishes. Or you can say, we eat dinner before we wash the dishes. So before we wash the dishes, we eat dinner, and then we wash the dishes. This is a rule. So you can see. But can you put when here? When we eat dinner, we wash the dishes. So you eat and wash at the same time. Do you do that? No. One bite and wash your spoon, and another bite, you need to wash your spoon again. No. You don't want to do that, right? You have food here, and then you need to wash your plate. No, then you cannot eat dinner, right? Okay, everyone, let's go to question 4, right? Okay. Pack your bags. We go to the airport. Which should come before? Which should comes before? Yeah, right? You should pack your bag first, and then you go to the airport, right? So the question can be, pack your bag before we go to the airport, right? Pack your bag before we go to the airport. Good. And then finish your homework. And then you watch TV. Ooh. Sometimes we doesn't we do not always finish our homework and then watch TV. Sometimes we watch TV and finish our homework, right? But this is in Korean we say 명령문. This is something that you tell somebody to do something. Then what does that mean? When you tell somebody to do something, right? Then you usually make sure that the person is doing something in a correct way or in a common sense, right? So the answer should be finish your homework before you watch TV. Finish your homework before you watch TV. You often hear this a lot, right? I heard this tons of time. So at a point, actually that was my 5th grade. Then when I was in my 5th grade, my parents removed the TV from our house because I was just watching too much TV. So I grew up without watching TV a lot. So now I don't know much of the celebrities, and I enjoy watching like comedy shows or TV shows, but I don't watch those kinds of we call K-drama, right? Those kinds of series. Okay? Question 6. The class starts. Stop talking to your classmates. Ooh, this is another 명령문, right? Tell you to do something, right? So maybe this is from whom? From teacher, right? So the correct answer should be before or when. Before the class starts, stop talking to your friends or your classmates, or when the class starts, stop talking to your classmates. Okay, good job. Way to go. So we have the remaining last part of the homework. Okay, let's read the questions. Use the picture and if and when to write sentences. So you need to understand the picture really well and circle if, when. So you need to know how to use these conjunctions well. So it's totally up to you. It can be, we can have like hundreds of different answers for this, and as long as you are grammatically correct, I will make it as, and I will mark it as correct, right? But I can give you some examples, okay? For example, when you look at the first picture, one is a picture with a bad weather, and one is a girl with, with hat and gloves and warm clothes, right? So maybe you can say, she will dress warmly if it is cold, right? She will dress warmly if it is cold, right? When you look at two, there's like a boy who is upset, right? It looked like he's a bit sick, and we can see a picture of a doctor, right? So you can actually write this in such way: he goes to the doctor when he's sick, or if he's sick, he should see a doctor. So always use either if or when. Good. And next one, question 3. So there's a picture of a snowy weather, right? And a man with like, we can see that he's a bit cold and freezing, right? He feels cold. So the example can be, if it snow, he will be cold. Or when it snow, he is cold. Right? Now the weather is getting better. We love it. Right? Look at picture 4. So one picture, the first picture is a woman laying down on the desk, right? I think she's taking a nap. We can clearly see that she is exhausted and tired. And another one is, our addiction, right? My bed is my addiction. I never want to leave my bed. We love our bed, right? We always want to have a good nap, or we want to sleep in during the weekends and even the weekdays, right? So the example answer can be, when she's tired, she goes to bed. Or if she's tired, she should go to bed. Or if you are tired, go to bed. Anything can work. When you are tired, go to bed. Okay, guys, good to have you again. I hope that you are having so much fun during the vacation. So sad that I cannot see you so often, but so good to see you again through the video. I hope that you can dedicate more time in studying this. Watch over and over again, okay? So that you can absorb all the details of this learning process of the grammar, okay? I hope to see you guys soon again, and bye!